Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, they'll be on the same platform, multiple things will work the same. Guys, practically it's almost the same vehicle, just one is a 4-door, one is a 2-door. They use the same engines, transmission, suspension, almost the same, guys. But now, if you replace the car battery, you wonder, do I have to program the car battery? Do I have to register it? Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Also, we'll talk about common mistake people make when replacing a car battery that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's start on it now. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, for any of you that want to see how to replace the car battery, where it's located, step-by-step instruction video will be on the channel. Now, when replacing a car battery, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect first, which one to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars, guys. How we know about that? It happened to us when we first started working on cars. That's why we started making videos, to save you money, guys. So we'll put a link to a video in the description below, which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. Check it out. Now, about battery, guys, programming. Okay, many new vehicles, especially German ones, and as you know, Dodge, Dodge Chrysler used to be practically, guys, okay, owned by Mercedes for some time. It was Daimler Chrysler. And they adopted many things from the German vehicles, but we're going to plug that scanner. I'm going to talk more about it in a second. Let me find the USB port here, guys, and I will show you guys, okay, where it's located in a second. But it's right here underneath. If we come right there, okay, check it out, that's the USB port, right? Now Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep is owned by Fiat. That's Stellantis Corporation. So let's talk if you have to program the battery. Now here we have, guys, special functions, right? This is amazing too, by the way, that can pay itself off in one-time use. You can do all kind of things. We will guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. We select BMS, battery monitor system reset, and here if you go to American, okay, you're going to select, okay, Dodge, right? Now we need to turn the ignition switch on. Don't press the brake pedal. Okay, you need to be in run position. Run position, guys, okay. I'm going to turn fan and everything off. It needs to say ignition on, ignition or accessory on. Do not start the car. We go to, you can do manual selection and you select the vehicle, or you can go, guys, okay, to automatic selection. That way it can select it yourself. If you go to automatic selection, it's going to read the VIN number, tells you have a 2016 Dodge, okay. The selected function is not supported. You can do manual. Okay, and the only one that you have here for that year is the RT Caravan. Okay, so if you have other years, check it out. Okay, so you don't need to do battery registry, battery programming, guys. Now, if you have a 2014 Volkswagen Routan, was practically a Chrysler vehicle, and Caravan, you can see Avenger, they require battery, and the Durango post 2011 watch, it required battery registry, and before that 2012 quite a few required it, calibers, things like that. But now, guys, okay, newer vehicles, many of them, they will, guys, okay, not need it. So what you guys need to do, just replace your battery with a good battery. And if you need to buy a good battery at a good price, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.